Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a one-time card on Klarna. A one-time card lets you shop at any online retailer that accepts Visa, even if they aren't Klarna partners. Firstly, open the Klarna app, then tap Pay with Klarna or choose Create One-Time Card. Now enter the exact amount you will plan to spend, including shipping costs. Klarna will show you an overview of your agreement for confirmation. A service fee or APR if using longer payment plans will apply. Now go to the retailer's checkout page and Klarna will pre-fill your address details if saved. Otherwise, enter your billing and shipping address. At checkout, select credit or debit card as your payment method and enter the one-time card details of Klarna. Complete your purchase as normal. Now, open the Klarna app or log in online to see updates. If you spend less than the one-time card limit, you can request a refund of the unused balance. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.